Hello, this is Christina coming to you from sunny California and my kitchen corner. Today I would like to share with you my thrifting for Thanksgiving. These are items I'm going to use to decorate for Thanksgiving. Other items that I'll be using to entertain my nieces and nephews and for DIYs. Everything I purchased today was 50% off, so let me start to my left. The first item I picked up is this Rae Dunn. Home is where you hang your hat, and look at that, isn't she a beauty? It has a Pilgrim hat on it, and I paid $2 for it. I picked up this canister for $3.50, and it says Discover. I'm just gonna put a Thanksgiving sticker on the little emblem there to cover it up. And here's a Happy Harvest scarecrow, and I think I might have paid 24 cents for this. I picked up these decorative plates for $1.50, and they're Harvest Time, made in England, from Johnson Brothers. I picked up two. It has apples and plums and grapes, and it's just beautiful, and it matches the Rae Dunn dishes that I have. I picked up these for 24 cents. And then here is a salad bowl. I also paid 24 cents, and they're Homer Laughlin. I also picked up this bag of little apples, and I paid $1 for them. I also picked up these metal handles for 45 cents for all three. I picked up this bag of Hobbs cotton batting, and it's a crib size, 45 by 60 inches. And this is for DIYs for Christmas. I picked up this lovely duvet. It's a king size duvet, and I paid $3.50, and it is absolutely gorgeous, and it's made out of cotton. So this year, instead of buying another comforter, I'm just gonna put my old comforter in this duvet. I also picked up this Legally Blonde DVDs so that when I have company during the holidays, I can pop a movie in, and I paid $1. I also picked up this Connect 4, and I paid 50 cents for it, and it has all the pieces. When my nieces and nephews come over, there is something for them to do as well. I picked up this decorative pillow for $1, and I know it looks ugly and dingy, but once I wash it up, it's gonna look nice. And I really like this chevron pattern that it has, and it's a gray and green, and I want to decorate with greens for Christmas, so I thought I can use it for Thanksgiving and also Christmas. I picked up a bag with yarn for $3.50, and it had this beige, it had this green, it had this purple cotton, it had red cotton, and then it had lavender, it had some blue, it had a multicolor red, pink, and orange, and this one has blue, lavender, purple, and light blue. I also picked up this little pail for 50 cents. I picked up 4 of these little decorative picture frames, and they spell out hope, but I want to use them for a DIY for Christmas. And I paid 50 cents for each of these. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please share, like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so. I would appreciate it. Happy Thanksgiving!